What is going on, guys? Today is a relatively exciting day because of this box I have right behind me. This is something I wanted since I've had the car because my car is too quiet, so giving it away to an exhaust. I didn't get the exhaust I actually really wanted because apparently Remark stopped making them or carrying them or whatever, so I waited a month and a half for nothing from them. So I had to go to a different brand. So today, I'll be unboxing the FT86 Speed Factory axle back. Yeah, so let's get started with this. We got some paper. We got some more paper. Ooh. Here she is. Right here we just got a nice piece of metal. Got that gasket hookup. And I got candy. Now, I really wanted titanium tips on the BRZ, like really bad. That's why I originally went with the Remark, and they're also cheaper. But they didn't have that for this, so let's see what these tips look like. I gotta get a knife. I got a knife. Slide this bad boy off. That's a big ass tip. Straight up, I was not expecting it to be that big. Boys, we about to be loud. Not super duper loud, but louder than we are now. So I mean, that's it right there. Got the little FT86 Speed Factory thing on there. Just kind of cool. Big ass tips. Now, the reason I said I'm not super hyped today, I think I said that, I'm pretty sure I said that, is because I can't put it on today because of the weather. And it sucks, I really want to like do this. But it's like cold, wet. It's like not like raining, but it's like misting everywhere. And it was just raining not that long ago, so the ground is soaked. So I can't really get under my car right now. It's Monday right now. I'm trying to do this by Wednesday because I just want my BRZ to be loud already because I'm tired of it being quiet. So, I mean, I guess next time I'll film probably be Wednesday whenever I'm putting this on. It just stopped raining. I mean, it's getting kind of dark now and the ground is still really wet. It's not too dark, I guess. I mean, there's still sunlight, but it's done raining. I think I'm gonna put the exhaust on now. I'm not really sure how much of this I'm actually able to record because it's one bolt I have to remove, take the muffler off, put a new like tips on, and then that's about it. But I'll keep you guys updated with this. It started raining again. I'm gonna take the L just for today. I need WD-40 because I started stripping out the bolt, which was like something I wasn't expecting to do because that shouldn't have happened. But I was, so I have to go get some WD-40 now to, you know, hopefully loosen it up. Straight up, not even sure if you guys can see me right now because I'm not really sure. Sorry, I had to shift. How the camera is at really low light. Went to Lowe's. I bought two 14mm wrenches because the one I had was a little bit too big, and I was like stripping out the bolt a little bit. I didn't really want to do that. So I bought two 14mm wrenches, some WD-40. I'm gonna go try again. I'm gonna, you know, spray it and try again, do all that, whatever. And hopefully I can get it done tonight. It's not really raining anymore, it stopped again. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to do it in the morning. I just hope my exhaust isn't too hot right now. Because it might be, but we'll see. Only thing about the fall and winter that I really don't like is that it's like this dark and it's only 7 o'clock. If you look at an install for your car and something says 15 minutes, never assuming it's actually gonna be 15 minutes long. This is my second trip to the store now because my wrenches are too big to get to the top bolt. So there's a bottom bolt and a top bolt. I got the bottom one off finally with my 14 mils. I squeezed them together, I could get it. But I need a socket for the top one because there's like no way you can get your arms up there and the wrenches actually like fit. So I gotta get some sockets now. And it's taking longer than 15 minutes. Probably 25 minutes, I got the hangers off. Fuck the hangers, boys. We got the muffler off. Time to go put the new John on. I gotta do more video tomorrow, definitely. But these are a lot more aggressive than I was thinking. Damn, that looks good. All right, moment of truth. I didn't think it would be that loud. Damn. That's what it sounds like I'm fucking driving, like. Wow, that's a lot louder than I was expecting it to be. That is crazy loud. Now, tomorrow when it's nicer, or it's daytime, when it's daytime, I'm definitely gonna have to do some drive-bys and flybys and all that fun stuff. Wow, that sounds incredibly good though. I am happy with that. Just a good cold start right there. Just got my car cleaned. I'm gonna go to a parking lot and get some like drive-bys for you guys. And then take some pictures because I want to take some pictures with the new setup because it looks kind of aggressive and cool. So I'm heading to the spot now to go do that. And then I think I'm gonna go to a parking garage and see how loud this actually is because I'm kind of curious about that. Just realizing how bad those drive-bys probably were. I don't really have like a road I can go to or anyone to help me record drive-bys. So I kind of had to do it by myself. And I'm in a very limited parking lot with people all around, so I didn't want to go too hard with it. But now I'm gonna head to the parking garage because I think that's gonna be kind of cool. So the main reason I went with an axleback, I went with the FT86 axleback. I originally ordered a Remark one with the titanium tips, but for whatever reason they didn't send it. I waited a month and a half for it or whatever. They're like, oh, we're not making this anymore. I was like, okay, well, I'm shit out of luck for that then. Reason I didn't go full catback, which I wanted to get an NVIDIA and wanted the new one too, was because I want to test out how loud I actually want the car to be. So getting just a muffler delete kind of helps with that because if I want it to be quieter, I can get like, I think it's the Gemini R300 or something like that. And it's a little bit quieter. And if I want to go full, like send full loud, get an NVIDIA N2. That's why I went with the axleback, just to like see how loud I actually wanted the car to be. And it's a lot louder than I originally thought it was gonna be. So, I mean, I was gonna drive around with this one for a month or two, and then maybe make a decision on what kind of catback I want to go with. I gave it a few revs, and I think I ran out of video again, so I'm just gonna use my phone for the rest of this. I'm not sure how good the quality of sound on my phone is, but like, hopefully that kind of picks it up. I don't know if my camera got any of it or not. I'm just gonna end it here then. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun shit, and I'll catch you guys next week. See ya.